This problem seems simple, but many of my students from Australia school cannot be finish this one. Let me show you the correct way to solve. The differentiable square is very complicated formula. A square minus b square equal to a minus b multiply a plus b. And the first step, we can apply this question to these two questions. The first question is very easy. The first term is a and the second one is b. And the first bracket, you got this different, and the second one, you got a plus 3. But for the next one, it's not easy anymore. If I convert this become to the 7 only, a square minus 7. The first step you need to apply is convert 7 become to the square form, square root inside the bracket, and outside you will have the square here. After that, it's very easy now to apply the difference of the square formula. A minus square root of 7 multiply with a plus of square root of 7 in here. We have the two simple question, and how about with this one? A to power of 4 minus 60 multiply y to power of 4. Okay, look at this. I convert a to power of 4 become to the square like this one, and convert 16 become to the form of 16 is the square number. I convert that like 4 square, and you got y square inside the bracket, and one more time you got square outside. And after that, the second term I need to combine 4 multiple y square inside the bracket, and you got square outside, and apply the difference of the square. You have a square minus 4 y square multiply a square plus 4 multiply y square here. You got problem for this question. The first thing you can see that the second term we cannot take factorizing, but the first one we can. We can have here x minus 2 multiply y and x plus 2y here. Also apply the difference of the square formula, and x square plus 4 multiply y square in here. After this step, we completely finish this question. And the next question I want to try is here, 25 multiply x square minus 3 multiply y square. You got no problem about the 25, but about 3 we have problem. 25 the square number, we can convert that equal to 5 square multiply with x square, but for 3 here we cannot, because 3 is not a square number. We need to under the square root for 3 and square outside, and after that you got y square in outside of this one, and after that you combine 5 and x square, square root of 3 multiply y, and you got square outside the bracket. After this one you got the difference of the square form. The first term is 5x, and the second term is the square root of 3 multiply y. After that you got the sum between these two terms. So you can see that from the one basic formula, the difference of the square, you got a lot of level about the question. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any question about math, don't forget comment below, and like, share this video to your friend if you think that this video is very useful for them. Thank you so much for watching. See you. Bye bye.